White beans or cocoa beans, delicious. They're also super easy to cook, but there are a few things that can go wrong. So we're going to show you a couple of tricks on how to cook your beans perfectly for just about any dish you're using them for. So very important, we need to soak our beans with water. Do this in the fridge overnight. Make sure to leave a lot of room in the container because they absorb the water and expand. Strain the water. Now cover the beans with chicken stock, some herbs, garlic, and a tiny bit of salt. Cook on low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. Strain off a little bit of the liquid and add a tiny bit of butter. We're going to use the butter to emulsify this sauce. So now we have a delicious liquid that's coating the beans lightly. So the trick with beans is you don't want to let them dry out. So give them a little bit of the butter treatment and you'll find they'll be perfect every time. You can also pre-cook your beans, keep them in the fridge for a day, and then whisk in some butter at the last minute and serve. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy cooking!